Now I know you guys always see me touching a lot of early pairs, one being the Air Jordan 1 Palominos. You guys see I have these a couple of months early, but a sneaker that I do not have yet that I was anticipating on already having them, you know what I'm saying, prior to the release date, having them a lot early for you guys, is the Air Jordan 1 UNC Toe and the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. And I don't know where them joints is at, but we're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. If you guys do not know, I've been dropping content daily. We've been dropping a lot of YouTube shorts, put you guys on to a couple of different things, you know, a couple of different ways of putting out content. And I hope you guys have been enjoying that, you know, YouTube short series. You guys can go scroll over on my page, go to the short section, see everything that we've been talking about these last couple of days. So instead of me doing full videos, I've been going over there, dropping YouTube shorts. We back today with a full video, pretty much talking about rumored pushbacks, delays of stores actually getting their shipments in these two sneakers that we are talking about. And you never know, what's gonna happen to sneakers that we're supposed to get in August, September, you know, leading all the way to the end of the year 2023. But let's hope that's not the case. Let's just hope it's just these two sneakers we talking about today's video, man. All right, guys, first things first, man, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing. A lot of you guys always ask me where I get my hats from, where I get my fitteds, and this one in particular is from Sneaker Town, Miami. So I'm gonna put the, you know, link down below in the description box. But a lot of you guys say, yo, let us know where you get the caps from. So here goes the first treat to you guys, a quick little unboxing of me showing y'all what I picked up recently from Sneaker Town, Miami, man. So, like I said, I'm gonna link it down below. Let's go ahead and check these beauties out. I had to get it. So inside of the box, it comes in like this little bag right here, and it also has Sneaker Town on the bag as well. So let's go ahead and get inside here real quick. Whew, this thing is clean, bro. It looks even better in hand. You got the Houston Astros fit right here. If y'all ever want to send your boy a fitted at 2, just know your boy wears 7 3/8 for his fitted hats. If you want to send me something, man. Hey, but here you go. First one, Houston Astros, super clean. I love it. And then over here we have a Diamondbacks cap. Want to give me a nice little tan, you know, brownish cap. I didn't have any fitteds like this in this colorway, so say, you know what, I gotta grab it. And I don't even remember buying this one. Maybe this is something that I did add to the cart last minute. And a lot of these hats that I'm showing you guys were on sale for like $30 to $40. You guys know usually hats are going for like $50 to $60. And then last but not least, we got my favorite out of all the hats I showed y'all, this Phillies cap, super clean, goes perfect with the Air Jordan 4 SBs as you guys see down there below. You know, I already copped a lot of hats just for that sneaker. This might have to go for like Lucky Greens or something like that, but super nice. You guys check the link down below. I got no discount code for you guys, but hopefully me and Sneaker Town Miami get something cooking in the near future. All right, guys, first is the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toe. And I know you guys probably think I'm clickbaiting or something, but it's really not. I got the SC Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. There's between the one we are going to be getting next month and these that I got, you know, a couple years back, is that it's going to have the actual Wings logo higher on the heel. It's going to be black, and the entire cut, like in the back of the sneaker for the upcoming black toe drop, is going to be completely different. I put a couple pictures up here, but usually, like I said, you guys know I usually get early pairs, like my plug, my connects. A lot of people that do get early pairs from, they always have sneakers, a boatload of these sneakers before the drop, and that has not been the case for the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Toes at all. It's been certain sizes like size 8, size 13, size 12, but no size 9, no 9.5s, no, you know, nothing smaller than that. I know I seen somebody had like the GS pairs of the UNC Toes even, and they just have no size 9s. They don't have a lot of pairs of these UNC Toes or the black toes anywhere, and that just had me thinking, you know what I'm saying, I seen the homie even talking about it too, there might be a pushback, there might be a delay. After talking to the homie Heavy, Sneaker Fiends, if you guys not know, we've been rocking out for a little minute now. Go tap into the homie. He has a Discord group as well, where he talks about getting early pairs, where he talks about hitting on restocks and shock drops and stuff like that in his Discord, which I'm gonna link down below. He even said that it's rumored that they are going to be getting pushed back as well, which kind of sucks. You guys know it's been super dry these last couple of weeks. I already knew it. Like, I made a video at the beginning of June. I said, bro, it's not really much dropping in the month of June. So I went back and got a couple of grails. You guys will see a grail unboxing here very shortly. But I was one of them joints early. I wanted to chop it up with you guys, seeing what you guys felt about the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Lows, and of course the UNC Toes. Like, I have no UNC Air Jordan 1s in my collection anymore. So this is something I did want to go out there and grab. And of course, like I said, get them early, break them down for the vintage squad. But hey, it's rumored that these pairs are gonna be getting pushed back due to what? I don't know. The main reason why I do think they are getting pushed back, why it will be a little delay on those two drops, is because yo, check it out. We have the Air Jordan 1 Palominos. Like, these don't drop until August or September, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm talking about pairs was flooded, like flooded everywhere in the market for the Palominos. You can literally buy these right now on StockX, go wherever you want, because these pairs, these mom and pop shops all around the world, they already have these Palominos everywhere. Super dope Air Jordan 1 in my opinion. But where are the UNC Toes? Where are the black toe lows? Like, nobody knows. And it's looking like, you know, those rumors of a pushback, of a delay, might be true. So you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section, man, what y'all think going on. This has been a very, very dry month. Even if you guys don't just watch me, I know you watch a couple other sneaker YouTubers, and they usually show pairs early of sneakers that you guys are interested in. But a couple sneakers you probably haven't seen a lot of people talking about is the black toes, is the UNCs, you know, a couple different other sneakers. And those probably the two main high priority sneakers for the summertime. Like, Jordan Brand, y'all gotta get something right. Don't push them back. Hopefully y'all hit us with a shock drop, exclusive access or something for these two pairs, because I'm super excited for it. I ain't bought a pair for retail. I don't even remember the last sneaker I bought. That's how dry June has been. So Nike, Jordan, if y'all watching this, let us know something. You know what I'm saying? Hit us with a shock drop. Hit us with exclusive access. Hit us with something, bro, because I want to buy some kicks. We want to buy some kicks. Let them know, Vintage Squad, down below in the comment section, man. Again, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Again, if you guys check out Sneaker Town Miami, they have sneakers, they have hats, fitteds. That's where I usually get all my fitteds from. So make sure you guys go tap into them. And please let me know what you think about this dry month of June. Like, it's tough. It's tough out here for the sneaker community. Nobody's talking about sneakers. Nobody wants sneakers because they ain't dropping nothing we want. Bring them UNC toes out. Bring them black toe lows out. And we back in business, man. So you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and leave a huge like on today's video. Help us get back on the algorithm, talking about this rumor pushback, talking about this rumor delay, and about this trash month of June as far as sneakers. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Yo guys, I'm hearing that we're gonna be getting a restock on the Nike SNKRS app for the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cements. And as soon as I get some more information, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. We probably gonna start seeing some stuff on Twitter, start seeing some stuff on IG here very shortly. But like I said, Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, rumored restock. And usually, like I said, when I get sources, when I get information like this, it usually tends to happen. So please stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys all the details, all the information as soon as I hear it, so you guys can get an opportunity to get another pair. I already got two pairs, but your boy loves the White Cement Reimagined so much that I don't mind tripling up on these bad boys. So like I said, stay tuned. Follow my Twitter right now. If you're not following my Twitter, I hope you guys watch towards the end of the video. If you're not watching my Twitter, you're not following my Twitter, go follow me ASAP so you guys can get all the information that I get as far as restock, shock drop, exclusive access, all that good stuff. Go follow my Twitter link down below right now. Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, sneaker of the year still in my opinion. Restocking here shortly. Stay tuned for more information.